Okay, so Chuck, we're in front of this one here. This is a Cummins. This is a really long hood for the day. Tell us about this one.
So this is a 1954 Mack LTL model.
Okay.
And these didn't come with Mack engines. These came with a 220 Cummins.
Wow.
But with a 5x3 Mack triplex transmission.
Yeah.
And I bought this truck in Healdsburg, California last September.
Okay.
And it got the name Merlot because, that's what I call it, because I bought it in wine country.
And it's the wine color.
That's right, that as well. And the fellow I bought it from, Alan, when I got to his farm, he said, come on, we're burning daylight, let's go for a ride. And we took it out, and I was driving it through these beautiful vineyard roads. And just fell in love with the truck. And I hadn't driven a twin stick in about 30 years. Didn't forget how to drive it. And I just said, I'll take it. And that was it. It was just...
I like that they've got touches. You don't see these anymore. Stuff like the night lights. I used to have them on my trucks. And I tell you, when you're looking for an address in the middle of the night or something, they come in really handy. Across the street. They were always really good. So this
lovely truck. I don't, there's a couple of them that are so rare, I don't even want to take them
You don't even want to drive them, right?
No, I just don't want, if a windshield gets broken, all of a sudden I have a big problem, because parts are hard to get for these.
But you do start them once in a while and make sure they're running and move them.
I drive them around the property a little bit. Try to go through at least 2 or 3 gears.
Well, with a twin stick, I mean, or triple, 3? Is this one 3?
This is a 5 and a 3.
Okay,
And interior's done really well. Alan did a great job. He was a true gentleman.
You wonder why these were so noisy in the past, because when you start looking at the dashes, everything's metal and paint. Whereas the new trucks today, it's all got carpeting and all.
Can't compare. These are.
You couldn't fall asleep. People, say you fall asleep. You couldn't fall asleep at the wheel with this thing.
Are you joking?
It was so much vibrating and. Very cool.
Shake all around. But these are, to me, and you may agree or disagree, this is a work of art to me. It's just an incredible piece of truck history.
How's it turn? That steering wheel doesn't look as big as you would expect for a long nose back in the day. Because when you had just Armstrong steering, as we used to call it.
And my first couple trucks had Armstrong steering.
Yes, I remember that.
That's why truck drivers always.
They were in shape back in the day. They had to be.
Between hand bombing and steering. You had big upper body.
And no money for eating. Well, that's a great truck. Thank you very much. That's very cool that you had to have that one part of the collection. I like the wine theme. We should have themes for all of them. That's good.